Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Twenty CRM. In order to do so, here we are at 20.com. And what is Twenty CRM all about? Well, it is the #1 open source CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Modern, powerful, affordable platform to manage your customers' relationships. And you can see here what you can expect with Twenty CRM. You have your workspaces, you have your different companies that you have access to. It is an operating system for your customer data, built on your customer data and adaptable to your unique workflows, designed to fit the evolving business requirements of fast-growing companies. You can model your data with custom objects. You can use powerful GraphQL and REST APIs and implement your own business logic easily. Get all the features of a great CRM. You can manage your tasks. You have the ability to visualize your workflows with Kanban views. You can take notes with text blocks and Markdown. You can synchronize your emails and keep your CRM up to date. The power of open source. 20 is GPL license. It means you own, not rent the software. You get the simplicity of SaaS with the freedom and cost savings of open source. What does AI have to say? Well, 20 CRM is an open source platform that can be self-hosted, offering users complete control over their data. It has a clean, user-friendly interface and is designed with developers in mind. It's suitable for basic tasks like tracking contacts and opportunities, and is considered stable with few bugs. Please double-check specific features and functionalities to ensure they meet your needs. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in My Stylus AI, you can gain access to an AI companion for academic document writing. Unlock your writing potential with My Stylus, find relevant sources, effectively manage references, refine with AI editing, and get instant help through AI chat research. And if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you can get 10% off your subscription, and it'll be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.